Welcome back to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. All uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. Trading is risky and you can lose money. Guys, if we have helped you in any way by putting a hot stock on your radar, why not consider supporting the channel via Patreon or by signing up for a free Trading 212 account via my referral link, and we both get a free stock worth up to £100. You can find the links below, and don't forget to hit them like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to bring you the latest hot stocks and content. Without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video we're going to take a look at Planet 13 Holdings Inc., ticker symbol PLNHF. Planet 13 Holdings Inc., a cannabis company, cultivates, produces, distributes, and markets cannabis and cannabis-infused products for medical and retail cannabis markets in Nevada, the United States. It also operates dispensaries that provide cannabis, cannabis extracts, and infused products. In addition, the company provides cardholder process navigation services, individual consultations, compassionate care programs, patient education services, express services, and home delivery services. Further, it operates a coffee shop and pizzeria. The company offers its products under the Planet 13, Medizin, TRENDI, Leaf and Vine, HaHa, and Dreamland Chocolates brands. Planet 13 Holdings Inc. is headquartered in Las Vegas, Nevada. Planet 13 Holdings Inc., a leading vertically integrated Nevada cannabis company, announced that the company has received all building permits and has begun construction of the Orange County Cannabis Superstore Entertainment Complex, Orange County Superstore, located at 3400 Warner Avenue, Suite A, Santa Ana, California. The start of construction is consistent with the previously released timeline, with completion expected near the middle of 2021. We are pleased to announce the completion of a major milestone, the receipt of final permits and the start of construction of our first dispensary in the Golden State, the Orange County Superstore. The combination of our exhaustive design process, attention to detail, and deep focus on customer experience will make it a truly exceptional experiential space for California's discerning cannabis consumers, said Larry Scheffler, co-CEO of Planet 13. We are excited about embarking on our first out-of-state expansion and look forward to bringing the unique Planet 13 customer experience to California. Once complete, the 55,000 square foot facility will be comprised of 16,500 square feet of dispensary space with an additional space reserved for ancillary stores and experience like at the Las Vegas Superstore. Two Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Planet 13 in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $5.75, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 0.88%. The high price target for PLNHF is $6 and the low price target for PLNHF is $5.50. There are currently 2 buy ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. Please remember, do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. And please like and subscribe for more content, and it would really help out the channel. Thank you and take care.